Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your TikTok account private. So if this sounds helpful to you, then stick till the end and let's get started. Firstly, open up your app of TikTok, and from the home screen, you'll need to head over to your profile and tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Now you land on the settings tab of your TikTok account. Now to make your account private, you simply need to tap on privacy, and on the first you'll see an option of private account. Here it says, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So if you turn your account to a private account, then only those people or only those followers will be able to see your videos who follow you or who you approve as your follower. To make your account private, you can simply toggle this option on. Now I have my account set as a business account, but you cannot switch to a private account on a business account. Now to do that, you need to switch your business account to a personal account. Tap on switch anyway. If yours is also a business account, you'll need to do the same process. After that is complete, now you can toggle that on, and there you go, your private account has been turned on TikTok. So that's how easily you can make an account private on TikTok. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more interesting content similar to this.